Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In previous session, we learned how to place our indoor units. Okay. See here, the load was slightly high, so I divide into two, and the ceiling was bulky. What means bulky? You can see here. Okay, we often see in the hotel's room. So here I place our indoor unit here. Okay, I already explained before. So now we will start to model the piping for all our indoor units. Here, see, this is common areas, and also this is common areas, right? This all is the common area. So it's always best to segregate indoors and common areas. Okay, because suppose we will place only one outdoor unit for all this area, and if something issue in our machine, then all the areas will be stopped. So best choice to make all retail shop one indoor unit, and for common areas one. Okay, or it's depend on you, but I do separate, common areas separate and indoor separate. So let's start for piping modeling. Before that, I have to make the pipe size. Here, see, here so first I have to create the pipe. Okay, pipe types. So before, okay, so here if I check, then only two pipe types is available, one plastic and one standard. So in VRV system, generally we use the copper pipe, so I have to create one. Okay, how I will create? I will select any one, suppose a standard. I select and make duplicate and write the copper pipe, copper. Okay, and after that, here segment and size and load families. First I will see segment and size. I have to fix as per our project standard and for VRV standards. So if I select this one, the one new tab will open, and here create new pipe segment is showing. So, okay, click here and select material and schedule or type. So I need both material and type. Okay, let me select material and type. And material, which one material I have to define? Here already copper is showing. Okay, you can check like this, copper, and check here use render appearance. Also here copper is selecting, so no issue. Okay, so just make it okay. And type, which type? See, before that one, here the copper pipe is generally K. Okay, copper pipe K type. Okay, and copper pipe L type and copper M type is available as per the thickness in the market. Okay, K, it means the king. You can say simply king. King, it means more strength and more thickness, right? L, it means less than king. This one I am telling only for remember, okay, easily remember. It means less strength compare to K, okay. M is medium, and you can say less than L, and strength is less than L, right? So copper pipe K is more strength, and copper pipe L is strength, and copper pipe M is less strength compared to the L, okay. But in Revit, copper A, B, D, E available, okay. So what means this A, B, D, E? I think this is only a label to recognize the copper pipes, okay, not as per KLM. KLM is not label, it is defined as per the thickness of the copper pipe, but ABDE is only for segregate, to understand about their labels, okay. So for that one, here copper type, I have no idea, okay. You can ask in like copper project standards which copper pipe they are using, but for as a designer just mention type is VRV, it's enough, okay. Copper and VRV, copper and VRV, one segment is created new, but this size is not as per our VRV standard. So what I will do, I will select and delete all, and this last one we cannot delete because at least one item should be here, okay. Now make it okay, and okay, fine. Here see, one new copper pipe is created here, but I did not still mention the sizes, right? So what I will do now, here here okay, and now define the sizes here, where it is manage you can find where it is, which tab, see here setting, MEP setting and mechanical setting, which one, copper VRV, and define sizes, start here, nominal sizes is 1/4 inch, and this inside ID it means 4.9 and outside is 6.4, here 6.4, okay. So this one you can delete and again start new one, 3/8 inch, 3/8 inch, And what about 7.3? 7.3, 9.5. Okay, fine. Next, so for saving the time, I fill these details here and show you. So I fill all this copper dimension here inside our Revit. Now you can make it okay. Cut this one and here. Okay. So now let's check pipes, copper pipes, here copper pipes, and make it here, make it fine, but it will not. Why? Because here mechanical sealing is selected, so make it none and make it fine hidden. Okay, but see, bend is not copper pipe, it is something else. Okay, so I have to make the routing preferences set here and edit the copper pipe. Here you can select the segment which I created, copper VRB. Elbow is only 2 elbow is showing here, so what I will do, I will just load and make it here, library, pipe fitting, copper and elbow. Okay, fine. Now you can load this elbow copper pipe, fine, and remaining things you can leave it as it is. Okay, because in VRV system only few fittings is required. One is elbow and other one is the ref net. Okay, so ref net is the accessories, but I will show you how to make it easier. Okay, before that one, you can load here. You can just load inside our project here, pipe accessories, copper, and this one is the ref net, gas and liquid both. Okay, fine. So now let's check pipe accessories. Okay, here, and other one is the liquid. This 2 is the ref net. Okay, now you can delete this one, delete, and make it trim TR. See, the elbow which I set in the routing preferences is now working fine. What about this one? What about this 2? This one is gas and other one here, other one is the liquid. But I have this one, I have to create similar and manually I have to attach like this. Okay, I don't want like this. I want that if I will select the elbow, it should appear here so that I can model first. Okay, so how I will do this one? I will do simply click this one. Okay, edit, and don't escape. Okay, just see how I'm doing. And here pipe accessory is showing upon pipe fitting. If you are doing and not showing, then you can select here piping. Okay, then pipe fitting will appear here and make it okay. After that, part type is select elbow. Now you can load into project. I don't want to save. Okay, the tap must be attached to the pipe. Okay, Similarly you can do this one, edit, change family category, change parameter, pipe fitting, okay, elbow, yes, load into project and save. No, I don't want to save, just I want to load inside our project. Okay, fine. See if it is working or no, just check it is working or no. Okay, so what I will do, I will delete this one and leave the elbow, and if I select the elbow it should appear here. Yes, of course it is appearing here, gas and liquid, whatever you want. If you want gas, you can select gas and it will changing the family parameter guys. Okay, okay, see, select, create similar. If I check this one, make it elbow, delete, and the gas, and it is working perfectly. See, now if I delete all this one and check again, piping, copper, okay, and here I want to put the ref net. Okay, so what I will do, just I will create one elbow and delete the other piece. Okay, and select this elbow and make it gas. Okay, gas. Okay, here, okay, unexpected, something else. Okay, see here, I think sometimes it's bug. If I select here, I already draw one copper pipe, and if I will select the elbow and select anyone, see, now the elbow is changing in our ref net joint. Okay, I don't know that time why it was doing some error. See, if I select and make it gas, sometimes it's unexpected result. Okay, if it is doing like this, you can put manually. Okay, here if I check again, gas, see, working perfectly sometimes and sometimes not. Okay, if not working, then you can put manually, otherwise it will work in all the cases. But this time I have to restart my Revit again. Here put, delete and try. Okay, change the family type. See, sometimes working and sometimes no. So this is the pipe. Okay, segment. Oh, I think also one thing I have to do here, I have to change this system type, hydronic supply. Pipe segment is copper is fine, but here hydronic supply I have to change. Okay, so how I will create this system type, come here and piping system. Okay, for here make a duplicate and rename this one. And what I will do here, refrigerant, not hydronic, refrigerant. Okay, refrigerant supply. Refrigerant supply, it means what? Liquid or gas? Yes, of course, liquid. Okay, and type here, and in abbreviation for the tagging you can write liquid. Okay, if you want to make the color, okay, which one color? This one for 2D, that will show. Okay, everything fine. Now again, for a hydronic return, like refrigerant return, you can make and rename this one and refrigerant return. Okay, and in abbreviation what is gas, you can write gas for tagging. Okay, and okay, fine. So here delete this one, select the pipe, copper, what is here, hydronic, no, refrigerant supply. Okay, refrigerant supply is abbreviation and copper pipe segment is copper. Now if you delete, I want to change the refrigerant, what is this one, supply, so liquid, sometimes not working. Okay, fine. TG, if I make the tag here, you can also edit the tag. This is only showing the sizes, and if you want the abbreviation add, so you can add the abbreviation, additional flow. Here system abbreviation you can add, make it break. Okay, fine. If you want to increase, you can increase. Okay, fine. And load into the project. No, I don't want to save. Okay, see the liquid 13 mm sizes. Okay, if you want to make in inches, you can also do, come here, edit label. Okay, and you can this one convert. Okay, so but my project is in matrix, so I leave it like this. Okay, now we will start modeling in our next video. So if you have any doubt, please comment below and I will show you. Now video is going long, so I just want to stop here. Okay, I hope you understand something. If you understand, then please subscribe and share with others. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.